before we push the flight, we can get some McDonald's. McDonald's breakfast. I love their breakfast. And of course, I left my tripod. We'll make it work, baby. Breakfast. Okay, so I suggest if you're going to the airport to park your car at the airport lot. It's convenient and they have a little oh my god, I can't think. What do they have on? They have cars to pick you up, take you to LAX. Shuttle, there you go. And it's cheaper, y'all. It's cheaper than
Convenient.
Inconvenient. You got your car. You don't have to wait for Uber. But I just suggest getting here early though.
What's the times on it?
You have to wait for the shuttle.
Yeah.
And we're about 2 miles away from LAX. But this was, I found, you guys know I'm frugal. I found a good deal. I got a good deal on this found the tripod I was looking for yesterday. I got a good deal on this lot. Alright. Good. Alright. Got our bags. Okay, so we're waiting for the shuttle. This is where it's supposed to come. And like I said, I feel like this is a convenient way if you're going to LAX. Park your car at, they have more than one lot too. This one, I found a good deal. You guys know I'm frugal, so I was doing my little Googling and found this spot for an amazing deal to park our car here. So it's safe and yeah. Just waiting for the shuttle to come. The shuttle got us, so you have to put in consideration that they're going to each stop, so it's not gonna be like a 5-minute thing. Her suitcase can't fit over there. Oh, you perfect. This is 50. Yeah, all right, so before we check in, we're gonna make sure, because we don't want to be embarrassed. Yours is 50 exactly.
Okay, I know yours is under that.
To be out there.
Who's joking? You joking?
All right, so we made it through TSA, and of course, I am chilling at the bar waiting for my drinky drink. If you know me, the one thing that I love to do is going to the airport early, chilling, having a drink, of course, going on live, talking to my supporters. It's like something that I love to do. Actually, I live for it. So I'm going to be jumping in and out doing voiceovers because they are playing copyright music in the background and no one has time for any violations. Why? I was trying to film a video for TikTok and I spilled my entire drink on me. It looks a mess. So I got so much content done. That's what I'm saying right now, basically. I got so much content done on TikTok videos that to be edited and all that good stuff. And I mentioned that you should upgrade your flight. I upgraded my flight to first class because this is my birthday. It's different, you know. And I want that kind of vibe, you know. And when you're in first class, the conversations is different. People treat you differently. And everything is free. Everything that you want is free in first class. I just love it. And you only live once, so you might as well enjoy life, right? And I'm still on live, like I said earlier. I love being on live. And I mainly post on TikTok and Instagram. So make sure you're following me. I love. All right, I see you later. They doing zone. Wait, focus. Zone 1.
Don't forget. Thanks for upgrading my seat.
You're welcome.
For more Spotify curated boarding music.
Ashley also just graduated with her master's, so let's give a big round of applause for that. We're so grateful you chose us to celebrate today. Unfortunately, we can't stay in Vegas with you. Well, I guess I could call crew scheduling and tell them that we're going out tonight. But anyways, thanks for being on board. Congratulations on your master's degree.
Oh my God!
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh, that was nice.
All boarding hours not closed. You may continue to use mobile devices once they are set to airplane mode. Federal regulation prohibits the use of cellular network during flight. This is the use of Wi-Fi to make video or voice calls not allowed. All surgical, so please take your seat, fasten your seatbelt, throw your tray tables, carry on them, and ensure your auto armrest and resting position. Flight attendants on doors for departure, cross-check, and all call.
First time. So my mom told them it's my birthday and I'm a master graduate, a PhD. They're embarrassing me though. It's cute. I love Delta. I'm gonna tag them, but I really appreciate it. But I was a little embarrassed because like everybody staring at me. It's so cute. Look what they made me. So Yep. Okay. It's so funny. He's out here right now. And that's the concert we're gonna go see. You guys heard him, E40. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, both our bags. A little hat. Let's go to our room and unpack. Alright, we made it. We're in the Uber on our way to our hotel.
You better not touch nothing.
Open the second one? Nope. Okay. Alright, so we just made it. My bags were so heavy. Let me turn this lights on.
It means you're investing.
This is the bathroom. It's only standing. Fix my pants. You see my hat? So I got my hat on. Thank you, Delta. Everybody been staring at me the whole time. We have to unpack. Nice job, Mother. Alright, we're here.
Why did you do this?
They put, you see them, they put in a little mini bar. As soon as you touch one, they will charge you, okay? It's over. And everything they have here, we about to go get downstairs, okay?
Okay.
Do you want to go upstairs now? Because we have reservations at 8 o'clock. I'm glad.
No makeup on, so
What time is
it's
it?
not get dressed.
Okay, it's 5:47. What you think? 5:47 reservations is at, oh, there's no light in here. I want to unpack. So, reservations are at 8. And we do want to go to the club tonight. We gotta be in there before, I think, I have to make sure of that. What you thinking? You don't need nothing from the store though.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, you do?
I wake up with, I be wanting something.
Cause mind you, we can go back tomorrow. I just want something to drink.
Right.
What you thinking? I need the little thing.
You gotta go to the store if you want to go to the store. Don't tear nothing up in this nice place.
When you unpack, make sure you use this. I don't know the name of this, but make sure you use this for your suitcase. And my suitcase keep falling.
That's what they'll give us too.
They'll leave 2 people to come in here. You didn't tell me nothing, so what you thinking? The store I want to go to is literally right downstairs.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay.
So. Alright, so we wanna come back until we figure out, you like my little hat thingy? I love Delta for this. I was a little embarrassed a little bit, as you can see. But I was a lot embarrassed.
Not me. I have fun.
So what you doing? You unpacking. What we gonna do?
Well, you say you can't drink without the juice.
And I feel like if I get something to drink now, it's gonna save me spending money. The camera's right there. So I feel like it's gonna save me. And then also they gave me some drinks. What is
that? Energy drink or drink?
Chardonnay?
Oh, a wine.
But mind you, I have first class, so anything we bought there was.
They didn't give nobody else 4 drinks.
That's what I know they did. So I was like, oh my god, what is this? Oh Lord. So cute.
You know what you're wearing?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go and use the bathroom and then we'll go to the store.
These pants keep on rising, baby. There's not a lot of light in here. I'm unpacking. I have like a million tripods. I'm gonna get so much content though while I'm out here. I'm manifesting now. So this is the plan. We are going out, but until then we're going to unpack. A little water. Alright, we're gonna head back on the camera when we get there. Should I keep my little hat on? So we have not unpacked yet, but you guys know me. If you know me, every vlog and I'm traveling, I go to the store first before I unpack. It's like a ritual. So we're walking to the store. I want some juices, water. How much they charge for water? Like $50 for some water? And I'm being dramatic. It's like $20 for some water. We're gonna go to the store right here and get everything that I need, and then we're going back to the room. But if we don't buy everything now, it's fine, because we can go back tomorrow morning. But right now I do want some drinks and water. You know what I mean? Like if we don't want, you know what I mean? Like we don't have to buy everything now, because we have reservations literally in 2 hours, but we have to get dressed and.
Well, the reservation is not far.
No, it's not far. And it's at one of my favorite restaurants here. I don't want to say the name, but it's one of my favorite restaurants here. Should we tag them?
Yeah. The next time you come, they give you a birthday present.
You're right. Delta, y'all did your thing today.
I'm proud of them. And I want to reach out and you have to do a survey.
I'm definitely
definitely
gonna do a survey for Delta. I love them. All right, so I'm gonna save my battery because the battery about to die. So
yeah, I need you to bring that back.
all right, so get some fruit. We're gonna share that. Here's a little baby one. All right, so the light is horrible. Maybe I should move you guys back right here. Better.
Yes, please.
It's all up here. I need to eat, y'all. I am.
Want some fruit?
That is not gonna help me. I need some. So, what do you want to do this trip, brother?
I want to be out.
So you don't care? Okay.
You know, usually we get dressed at home right so we can. Our main focus is club.
Right.
I want to be out.
Outside. Alright, we'll figure it out.
All right, during the day, Friday and Saturday.
Oh, we definitely gotta be outside.
Right.
And we need to eat good. I'm gonna put some music on, turn the vibes up for us. But every year, see, mind you, I do a solo trip. I know she doesn't like me doing solo trips. She never likes me doing solo trips. But on my solo trips, I have so much fun, right? So, it's been a tradition of me. Does that make sense? It's been a tradition for me to give advice. So I want to do that again. And since my mom's here, she can give some advice too, because she's older and she can through a lot too as well. And a lot of people like when I give my advice. So we're gonna do that once I unpack and get dressed. I need to put some makeup on. I hope the lighting is not too bad. I know the lighting is bad. But yeah, we have to unpack. She's already dressed. We have reservations in an hour, right?
But it's in the hotel.
Yeah, it's walking distance. It's not too far. It's one of my favorite restaurants here. But for brunch, oh my god, it's a whole different vibe. For brunch, they have live entertainment, and if you know me, you know I love live entertainment. So I want her to, my mom, to see that. Cause last time I was here, it was a whole vibe. So I made oh my god, I don't think I made reservations. Cause you know what, I didn't make reservations. I didn't know if we wanted Friday or Saturday to do the brunch, but they have live entertainment. So we have to figure that out, but we definitely going. Yeah. I need to charge my phone actually. I need to charge my phone. Why did I bring this set? I'm gonna get dressed and then I'm gonna see you guys once I get dressed, and then we're gonna talk and all that good stuff.